Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 and today I'll show you how we can enable power saving mode on this phone. Now to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications, and then on one of the pages you should be able to see a power saving mode, or as it's called right here, battery saver. For me it's on the second page right over here. Once you find this toggle, simply press on it. This will change the outline of the filling of this little toggle, and also the filling of your battery, as you can see, to signify that it is right now running. Now, as you've seen, there was no information about this mode, so we can presume only, and just to give you some information that are based on presumptions only, so they could be incorrect. When power saving mode is enabled, it tends to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. So when you lock it and leave it alone for some time, it will disable these two things, and because of it you won't be receiving notifications from apps that require internet connection. And just to name a few: Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. Any app that basically requires internet connection to function. So if you have a problem where you see that you're not getting notifications from application like social media and other apps, this is probably the reason, and turning it off will obviously solve your problems. Now, if this is one of those problems and you still want to save a little bit of power on your device when using it and don't want to have that downside of the phone disabled or disconnecting from Wi-Fi and mobile data, what you can do is basically disable everything that you're not using, like NFC as an example, Dolby Atmos, I guess, although I don't think that will have much of an impact. Then if you're using Wi-Fi and mobile data, disable one of them and keep only one enabled, depending on which one you need. And lastly, the most important one will be lower down your brightness of your display. Now, the lower you can get it, the more battery you will have, at least screen on time more precisely. The brightness gives you the best power saving effect, but only when it comes down to actually using the device. So because obviously the brightness will have to do with the screen being on. So if you're not using your screen and it's completely off without even the always on display, then this will have zero effect. And there we go. Now with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.